Welcome. English Learning Tube. Saying thank you. Dialogue 1.
Oh no, I forgot my wallet. I can't pay for my coffee.
It's okay. I'll get it. It's on me.
Are you sure? Thanks so much, Lisa. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. My treat.
Oh no! It's raining. I don't have an umbrella.
Here, you can have mine. My house is very close.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Just bring it back tomorrow.
I will. Thanks again for everything. You're a great friend.
You too. Now go home and stay dry.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus stop?
Sure. Walk straight for a few minutes, then take a right.
Thank you. I wasn't sure where to go.
No problem. You'll find it easily.
Also, is it far from the supermarket?
Not really. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's just next to the bank.
Thanks a lot for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a safe walk.
Thanks for watching English Learning Tube. Don't forget to subscribe.